Hi everyone, I'm Ernest with Kit and Caboodle Estate Sales, and I am in Wenatchee, Washington today to tell you about our next sale. It's a 35,000 square foot, 2-floor warehouse. Come on inside. Now this is the site of a former thrift house on Wenatchee Avenue next to the Red Lion. As you enter the front door, you're going to see some bins here. We're doing bulk pricing. Whatever you can fit in one of those bins and carry yourself will be 25 bucks. We also have some smaller sizes, smaller box for 10 and plastic shopping bag for 5. If you look down this way, you'll see the land that time forgot. This is women's clothing. Now I apologize, ladies, because we do not have the time or the manpower to size all of this. There had to have been about, 20 of these bins. We've cut this in half, so imagine that twice as tall, full, 20 of them. And a wall of purses. Just past the purses are, oh look, more purses. And beyond that are the rest of the shoes, ladies' shoes. By the way, these tables will be for sale. I believe there's 6 of them. They are the easiest round tables I've ever moved. They just fold up in half and roll away, and when you fold them down, they come up off the casters and stay in place. Pretty nice. Beyond that is the household kitchen-y thingies. Plates, china, small appliances, kids area. Lots of kids items. She's found some cool stuff too. Legos, Spider-Man, Bob the Builder. Coming around the corner from the kids' toys area is our book corner. There must be thousands of books here. Clothing racks, display hook racks, shelves, clothing Z-racks, more furniture. There's even items that we haven't had a chance to unwrap. These are all electronics. It looks like mostly radios and speakers. Who knows what's in here? You might find a sweet Bose system. Okay, I'm back over at the ladies' sea of clothing, and we're about to go downstairs. There's a second floor in the basement, only accessible via these stairs. However, there is a freight elevator. So if you buy things downstairs, and we'll have shopping carts and bins and bags and stuff downstairs for you, you fill those up, bring them over to the freight elevator, and we'll take them upstairs for you. As you descend into the craziness. So you'll see we have lots of shopping carts. These are just what's downstairs. We have that many upstairs as well. To the left is sporting goods. Look at all those kids' bikes. I mean, crazy. There's so many things. It's all going to be so cheap. You won't believe it. Yeah. Household items. I'm going to pan to the right. Try not to get sick. Over here is home improvement, hardware, and automotive. Nothing has really been tested except for a few of the TVs, so everything is sold as is. Another reason for it to be super cheap. See more furniture here. Now, we are about to cross into the section that was closed to the public. So if you came to the store back when it was a thrift store, you were not allowed back here. You may have not even known it was back here. This place was packed, and we have spent several weeks just uncovering treasures. Lots of things to dig through. If you like digging, you'll want to come. Again, the sale is September 6th, 7th, and 8th. That's Saturday through Monday. And we'll have everything priced that we can price, and everything else will be bulk items. Before I go, I just want to show you where the freight elevator is. If you come here, down that main center hallway downstairs, the freight elevator is right at the end. That is not for people to ride on. However, you can put things on it, so we'll take them upstairs. And that's that. Again, my name is Ernest. I'm with Kit and Caboodle Estate Sales. You can find us online at kitandcaboodleestatesales.com or Insta at Kit and Caboodle Estate Sales. And we have tons of photos and images and details on estatesales.net. That's where you'll find all of the information. So we'll see you this Saturday, September 6th, 9 a.m. in Wenatchee, Washington, on Wenatchee Avenue next to the Red Lion. Look for the big orange signs. Thank you.